Today I'm going to make a vegetarian spring roll. Here are the main ingredients. 2 medium-sized carrots, shredded. 1 sweetheart cabbage, thinly shredded. 1 medium-sized onion, also thinly shredded. 10 pieces of dried shiitake mushroom. I soaked into warm water for 4 hours and then thinly sliced. Well, if you have a fresh shiitake mushroom, you can also use fresh one. 1 pack of this dried vermicelli. I soaked in warm water for ½ hour and chopped into small pieces. Turn on the fire to medium and heat up the wok. Add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Add the onion first. Fry the onion for about a minute until it is soft. Then move the onion on the side and then add the shredded carrot. Lower the heat and then cover the lid for 30 seconds. Stir a bit, move it to the side and add the mushroom. Move this on the side, add the cabbage, add a little bit pepper, 1/4 of the teaspoon pepper, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon of this chicken flavor mix. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Last, this chopped vermicelli. Okay, mix for about 30 seconds and then turn off the fire. Let it cool down. This is cooled down now. I'm going to use this spring roll pastry to wrap it. You can find this almost in all Oriental store. You need to peel them gently. They are very thin. 1 spoonful of this. And then fold them like this, and then fold it, and then you seal them with this. I mixed one tablespoon of flour and 3 tablespoons of water, and then on the edge you seal them like this. Good. Okay, I'm going to pan fry this spring roll. Of course, you can do the deep fry, but I don't like to use too much oil